Hello everyone and welcome back to another amazing video. For those of you who have been looking for English transcription job, I bring you good news. Triple Media is currently hiring English transcriptionist. So if you're still searching, please go and apply now. It just became available a moment ago and I decided to share it with you guys. So you need to go and sign up. The best part is that they're hiring worldwide. They're also hiring beginners and entry level, and it's also flexible. All right. So if today is the first time coming to my channel, before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. And also, if you sign up, let me know in the comment section if you are accepted. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the application process because I'm also going to apply for this one. Actually, that's why I decided to share with you guys. So you need to go sign up before submit your application before it becomes crowded, or before the website goes down. Okay, so about this role, they are currently seeking eager editors for contract work to transcribe recorded audio and edit imperfect transcription. So the benefits of working with them, Triple Media, is that you choose the jobs you want to work on from a selection of major entertainment, corporate, and education content producers. As a member of Triple Media, you choose where and when you want to work. Okay. Also, you receive weekly paychecks based on a per project or per minute rate for the work you completed in the prior week. You know that working as a transcriptionist is very flexible. You get to choose your own time, hours, and days. And also they pay you per weekly, all right, via PayPal. I've also talked about you getting a PayPal account if you don't have. So if you're looking for flexibility, if you're looking for, time with your family, if you're looking for something you can do that will not give you much stress, that will not give you any stress at all, go and sign up for this one. As a transcriber, as a transcriptionist, you get to work from the comfort of your home. I've also talked about you improving on your typing speed, because as a transcriber, you need to type between 40 to 60 words per minute. Increase on your typing speed. You can also get a certificate to attach whenever you're applying for these jobs. So the tips, it says, for the best results, complete the application on a computer. We recommend completing the application in one sitting. Estimated time is between 15 minutes. You will receive an email if you passed to the next step. To be a good transcriptionist, you need to meet the following qualifications: excellent written communication skills, excellent command of English grammar and punctuation, efficiency with internet research and reference resources, ability to manage projects and work independently, must be at least 18 years old. So it says it's important to note, Triple Media will obtain a background check for all US-based applicants. Completion of this background check is required prior to starting work with Triple. Please note, we are only interested in receiving application from individuals who are interested in performing the services themselves. Please do not apply on behalf of another person. We do not permit the selling or subcontracting of our contract work. So we're going to go through the application process. If you have an existing application, you can click on that, but I'm starting a new one. So you enter your details. So I'm going to use India for this demonstration as my location. So this is how it works. You enter your details and your location and submit. Then it brings you to this page where they will send you a code to your email address just to confirm that it is your email address. You then click on the link in your message to activate your account and submit. That is how it works. So for those of you in India, good luck. They are hiring from your location. Go and submit your application as soon as possible. Okay? Yeah. Then after that stage, they would email you on the next step to follow. But that is where I'll end that one, and I'll check another location. So even if your location is not, they're not hiring from your location right now, keep checking. Something might come up. So they're not hiring from Kenya at the moment. Or they're hiring from India. I'll check South Africa to see. They're also hiring from South Africa. And I'll check Ghana as well. They're now also hiring from Ghana. So just check your location and see if they're hiring. But for the moment, I've checked Kenya, they're hiring from Kenya. I've checked South Africa. They're hiring from South Africa. They're also hiring from India. I can't check all the countries, but yeah, check your location and see if they're hiring. If they are, good luck. Submit your application. But if they are not, keep trying and keep waiting. Something will come up eventually. Okay. So the second one we're going to look at is this one. So they are looking for, is from Elite Job. They're looking for transcriptionists for part-time remote role. So they're looking for freshers. Okay. And they're also looking for beginners. So it says that Elite Job is a reputable and innovative company in the transcription industry dedicated to delivering top quality transcription services to their clients. With a strong commitment to excellence, they value professionalism, accuracy, and efficiency in all aspects of their work. So they are looking for transcriptionists. The company name is the Elite Job, and it's a part-time role. So if this is what you're looking for, and you can try and see if they will hire from your location. So the key responsibilities here is to transcribe audio recordings, proofread and edit transcriptions for errors and inconsistencies, meet deadlines, and maintain high levels of accuracy. And the required skills are proven experience as a transcriptionist or similar role, excellent typing skills with a strong focus on accuracy, and so on. So why you should choose them is because of flexible part-time hours that allows you to balance work with your lifestyle, the opportunity to work remotely from the comfort of your home. So how to apply? If you're a transcriptionist with a passion for accuracy and a commitment to excellence, they encourage you to apply to join the Elite Job team. Please submit your resume along with a brief cover letter highlighting your relevant experience and skills. All right. So if you're interested, they also have other jobs here that you can look at. Online part-time job specialist for college students, typists jobs, online data entry jobs, work from home jobs, online typing jobs, part-time typist, and so on. So if you're interested, look at them. They were just posted 5 hours ago. All right. Yeah, and that's it for this one. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Even if your country is not, even if they are not hiring from your country, especially Tree Play Media, don't worry. Keep checking. I know something will come up, and as soon as it comes up, I'll share it here immediately with you guys. All right. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for sticking till this moment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and leave your post notification on, because it will allow you to know whenever I post a new video, so that you be the first 10 people to submit your application before the site goes down. Okay. Thank you, everyone.